Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 7. Assalamu alaikum. This is your English lesson. Today is 27th of August 2025 and the day is of course Wednesday. Boys and girls, we were doing present continuous tense in our last lesson. We started with its rules and we started with the structure of the sentence. Can someone please repeat the concept? Can someone please repeat the structure of the sentence which is to be used while writing a sentence in present continuous tense? First of all, tell me that while speaking in Urdu, what is the identification that this sentence is going to be translated into present continuous tense? Hassan? बिल्कुल रहा है, रही है. My marker is a bit lighter. Let me have another one. रही है and रहे हैं. Okay. Singulars and plural. Right? Then we studied about the structure of the sentence. Ananta, can you please repeat? First of all comes the subject. Very good. Then helping verbs. Very good. Mariam Shabir, can you please tell me that which helping verbs are we going to use while changing a sentence of Urdu into present continuous tense, into translating into present continuous tense? Which helping verbs do we use? Is, am, are. Very right. Okay. Meera Imran, can you please tell me that which of these helping verbs will be used with the singulars? When our subject is singular, which helping verb are we going to use? Is. Very good. Singular. Fatma Arshad, which helping verb is going to be used with plurals here? Are. Good. Only plurals? What about you? 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 And what about we? Of course, are plural and you. But about am? What about am? Very good, Saira. Am is only used with I. Right? There is no other subject with which we can add am. नहीं कर सकते हम. You am कभी नहीं हो सकता. Bushra am कभी नहीं हो सकता. They am कभी नहीं हो सकता. Am is only and only for I, and I is always written in capital. Please keep it in your mind. कहते हैं ना पल्लू से बांध ले, कहीं बांध ले. I is always to be written in capital. ये I नहीं है. I am, no, I. It's capital always. Do not make this mistake again, please. Clear? Okay, helping words. Then comes the verb. But which form of verb? First form of verb. Only. Nothing else. Plus ing. Very good, Mohit. Mohit, what comes next? Object. Shabash. So subject, then the helping verb, then the actual verb with ing, and then the object. See, whenever we are making a sentence, we have to keep in mind the structure of the sentence. And specifically when we are talking about tenses, we have to keep in mind this particular or whatever structure of this particular category is required should be kept in mind. Now what we are going to do today is we will be translating sentences of Urdu into English using present continuous tense. Okay, they will include simple sentences, they will include negatives, and they will include interrogatives as well. Okay, but one thing which I want you to consider as a matter of fact is that while doing your summer break homework, holiday homework, you people have not written simple sentences. The instructions were to write simple, negative and interrogative sentences of simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. आप लोगों ने नेगेटिव लिखे, इंट्रोगेटिव्स लिखे, सिंपल लिखे, और and many of you made mistakes while writing simple. A few, the ones who have written, they are very few, and they have made mistakes while writing simple sentences. Negative ठीक कर दिया, interrogative ठीक कर दिया, simple में गलती कर दी. तो बेटे, this is not the thing. ये आपको सीखना होगा. If you really want to improve your written expression, if you really want to improve your spoken English, you have to learn tenses correctly. और अभी सीखेंगे आप. There is no tomorrow for this. आपके पास you have, it's like the demand of the class in which you are studying. Tenses नहीं आएंगे ना बेटे, ये English कभी नहीं आएगी. You have to learn to write correct English. Okay, take out your notebooks, prepare the page, give heading, and we'll be doing translation. Before going towards the sentences, please write these all things in your notebook too. Heading, write the heading of present continuous tense, and under the heading you will write this, all the sentence, whatever details have been written over here. Be quick. Okay, our first sentence is, क्या लिखा है मैंने बुरहान? लोग तफरीह के लिए पार्क जा रहे हैं. लोग क्या है? सब्जेक्ट. वेरी गुड. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पार्क. पार्क इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. राइट. रहे हैं से क्या पता चला? व्हाट टेंस आर यू गोइंग टू यूज? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. अभी जा रहे हैं, वो जा रहे हैं, प्रोग्रेस चल रही है, हो रहा है, अभी खत्म नहीं हो गया, या गए थे नहीं है, अभी हो रहा है. प्रेजेंट है और कंटिन्यूअस है. सो फ्रॉम हियर यू विल आइडेंटिफाई दैट दिस इज अ कंटिन्यूअस सेंटेंस. और है से पता चलेगा कि प्रेजेंट है और आपको सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, मुबीन, हेल्प मी टू ट्रांसलेट दिस सेंटेंस इनटू इंग्लिश. व्हाट इज लोग? People, the people. The people are, people एक बंदा होता है कि बहुत सारे होते हैं? बहुत सारे होते हैं. Plural. People is, people are. Good. The people are जा रहे हैं. Verb. Helping verb लगाएं पहले. लग गया? अब actual verb लगाएं. जा रहे हैं. Going. शाबाश. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? What is the object? Going to the park. To the park. Good. For what? क्या करने जाते हैं हम पार्क में? क्यों जाते हैं हम पार्क में? Why do we go? तफरीह के लिए. What do we mean by तफरीह? For enjoyment, for entertainment. Okay, so you can write enjoyment, entertainment, and it's a healthy entertainment. Entertainment. Please learn syllabification and use syllabification, because at this level, in this class, we are not going to teach you like with Jolly phonics. Yes, we are supposed to have to learn the sounds of different alphabets, but yet you have to work on your syllabification as well. How many syllables are there in entertainment? Entertainment. Entertainment. These are three. Entertainment. Okay? It will definitely help you out in writing spellings. मुश्किल लगते हैं ना? Break down into syllables and then write. Which you'll write correctly most of the time. कभी कभी गलती हो जाती, कोई बात नहीं. कभी कभी की गलती की कोई बात नहीं. हर वक्त की गलती is unacceptable. Please. Okay, the people are going to the park for entertainment. Next. Number 2 is, yes Subhan, please read it for me. Right. असलम इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहा है. How come? Do you know that which tense is to be used? रहा है. Exactly. Which tense are we working with? Present continuous tense. रहा continuous, है present. Who is the subject here? Anas? Aslam. Very good. Aslam. Now Aslam is singular or plural? Singular. So which helping verb is? Aslam is verb क्या? तैयारी कर रहे हैं. Aslam is preparing for what? For the examination. Aslam is preparing for the examination. See, singular is first form of verb with ing, then object. Number 3. Hadia, please read this sentence. मुसन्निफ एक नई किताब लिख रहा है. What do we call a मुसन्निफ? Who is a मुसन्निफ? The author. Exactly. Very good. The author is doing what? Now we are talking about one author. The author is लिख रहा है, writing. क्या लिख रहा है? A new book. The author is writing a new book. Number 4 is तुम सस्ता कपड़ा नहीं बेच रहे हो. अब यहाँ क्या है? It's a negative sentence. नहीं आ गया. तुम सस्ता कपड़ा नहीं बेच रहे हो. तुम या आप. You. Very good. You. Inaya. You are not. Shabash. Not is negative. Are is helping verb for you. You are not. बेच रहे हो. You are not selling. सस्ता कपड़ा. सस्ते को क्या कहते हैं? महंगा तो होता है ना. एक्सपेंसिव. सस्ता क्या होता है? Cheap. You are not selling cheap clothes. You are not selling cheap clothes. Next. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश नहीं कर रहा हूं या कर रही हूं. मैं तो रही हूं ना. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश नहीं कर रही हूं. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश नहीं कर रही हूं. हो सकता है मुझे जरूरत ना हो. मैं नहीं तलाश कर रही. मैं I is, I are, I am. I am not. Negative. I am not. तलाश करना क्या होता है? Looking for. I am not looking for क्या? Looking for क्या? My watch. इसके क्या नहीं मैं ढूंढ रही? My watch, of course. I'm not looking for my watch. I'm not searching my watch. वो भी ठीक है. But looking for is a better word for तलाश करना. Please do it quickly. We have to do more. Number 6 is क्या पे आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, सवाल बनाते हैं. क्या हुकूमत की बात हो रही है. नो पर्सनल कमेंट्स. क्या हुकूमत नए स्कूल खोल रही है? क्वेश्चन मार्क. It is very important to put the question mark out at the end of a question and a full stop at the end of a statement and whatever punctuation marks you know, उसको properly लगाना होता है. वो डेकोरेशन नहीं होती, उसकी जरूरत होती है. ओके ना. क्या हुकूमत नए स्कूल खोल रही है? क्या? What is हुकूमत? Singular or plural? Government is singular. So what helping verb are we going to use? Is. Very good. Talal is the government. अब ये होता तो एंड है बीच में, लेकिन इसको हम पढ़ते ही नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट थोड़ी होता है. गवर्नमेंट होता है. गवर्नमेंट. ये साइलेंट हो जाती है. इज द गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रहे हैं? ओपनिंग. इज द गवर्नमेंट ओपनिंग. क्या ओपन कर रही है? इज द गवर्नमेंट ओपनिंग नए स्कूल, न्यू स्कूल. Inshallah. Okay, number 7. Number 7 is, have you written it? क्या हम वक्त जाया कर रहे हैं? क्या हम वक्त जाया कर रहे हैं? हम इज प्लूरल. क्या मीन्स इट्स अ क्वेश्चन, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. क्या हम वक्त जाया कर रहे हैं? आर वी. वक्त जाया करना. वेस्टिंग. क्या? आर वी वेस्टिंग व्हाट? आर टाइम. या आर वी वेस्टिंग टाइम हमने हमारा नहीं लिखा ना, तो आर वी वेस्टिंग टाइम जो कि हम लोग अक्सर करते हैं. इट्स द हॉबी ऑफ आवर नेशन टू वेस्ट टाइम. Note it down. 3 more sentences to go. Please be quick. Number 8 is घंटी कौन बजा रहा है? घंटी होती है ना, bell. We have doorbells. We have bell at the school that rings and we switch the lessons, right? So घंटी कौन बजा रहा है? हाँ? Who is singular? Who is बजा रहा है? Ringing. Very good. Who is ringing? क्या? Ringing the bell. Who is ringing the bell? Next is क्या मैं आपको मुखातिब नहीं कर रहा हूं? नहीं कर रहा हूं. क्या मैं आपको मुखातिब नहीं कर रहा हूं? अब मैं की बात है. मैं के साथ which helping verb are we going to use with? I am. Am I? नहीं. Am I not? मुखातिब करना, बात करना is like addressing. Am I not addressing you? क्या मैं आपको मुखातिब नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि मैं आपको बुला नहीं रहा? ठीक है. Am I not addressing you? जब आप लोग हमारी बात नहीं सुन रहे होते ना तो हम कहते हैं am I not addressing you? Am I not talking to you? So am I not addressing you? Try to do practice of speaking these sentences also. And the last one is तलबा स्कूल से जल्दी वापस क्यों आ रहे हैं? क्यों is the question word. So why तलबा students. Why helping verb first. Are the students क्या कर रहे हैं? What is the word here? वापस आ रहे हैं. Why are the students coming back? Coming back what? जल्दी आ रहे हैं ना? Early. See the question word first, then comes the helping word, then the subject, then the verb, and then the rest of the predicate. Okay, so this thing is to be taken care of, that subject. What is the subject, either singular or plural, and what is the helping verb to be used, which word is to be used, adding ing with the verb and object at the end. But when you have some sentences like this in which you have to add more after the object, you add it properly at the end of the sentence. Okay, boys and girls, you have to do more practice of it at home. Please find sentences on your own, make sentences in Urdu, keeping in mind present continuous tense on your own, and start translating it in your rough notebooks. Ask your mother to help you out, ask your elder sister or brother to help you out to have command on these tenses. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow inshallah. Allah Hafiz.